Hello, everyone. This is Deb. I am here on Friday, the 20th of February, 2026 for hashtag Crack the Vault. This is a collab that is hosted by Jamie at Poetspice. She has done this collab for a number of years, at least 3, maybe 4 or 5. I can't remember exactly. Anyway, there's a whole bunch of us, so please be sure to hop along down below. If you're seeing my channel and you're doing the list, then you're probably somewhere in the middle of the list. So thank you for coming this far, and I do appreciate that. I had different ideas for this month, but I, as always, was a little short on time. And I watched a video the other day, and I believe the channel was Emily's Paper Capers, and she was doing washi tape masterboards. Well, I have a ton of washi, a ton of washi. And what I've done today is just the tip of the iceberg. Do any of you have these tubes from Recollections or things from 2018 from Tuesday morning, or things you bought off Amazon? And I have used this probably the most recently out of all of these. The rest of them, not so much. Some of them never. Yeah, some of them never. Most of them never, except for this one here and maybe this one here. Anyway, so I had also on a mission to use up papers. I have different colors of these Craftsmith paper pads, 12 by 12. Anybody else? I have pink ones and green ones, and the pink one and green one, actually 2 pink ones, one called Blush and one called Romance or something like that. And then this one is just green. And I started off with green because, March coming up is St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to just show you the tube. This was a sale item from I don't know when. Recollections. The thing about theirs is they don't tell you except in rare occasions, a name of the collection. They do have numbers on them, but this was on clearance way back. I don't remember even when. And you can see most of it in here. And there's one more up in the top that looks like that. All sort of greens and teal blues. And I thought that would be pretty good for coming up with St. Patrick's Day. And then I used scraps. This is out of the green. I don't know. I think this was out of one of the pinks. They had some whites in there, and this was out of the green. Different shades of green scraps. And these are those ones, they have a little texture on them. Now, if your washi is good and sticky, you probably don't need to use, what do you call it? Glue. Like I use glue stick on some of them, and I'll tell you which ones. This one I did not. And on the ones I did on a diagonal, I just trimmed them off at the edges of the scrap papers. So I did this one first. I really am loving this. I thought I would love this one the most, but I love this one and the vines the most actually. And this one that looks sort of worn. It all goes really well together, and then this one is another one on a skinnier piece. And then I went with some of the other colors in the tube, this one and this one, sort of that olive green. I didn't use that so much over here. I did use a little bit of this one on this one too, and that blue. But I kind of like them. And originally I was thinking St. Patrick's Day, but I don't think they'll work for St. Patrick's Day. Maybe. I don't know. So not sure what I'll do with them yet. And then I had this was on a scrap left over from something I did recently with Stampin' Up's Pear Pizzazz. So I had this piece, which is it actually was about 6, and I cut it down first to 5 1/4 because I figured I could get either some tags or some card fronts out of this one. This was a Bow Bunny washi tape that I might have used once, but I don't remember using it. And it was from Tuesday morning in 20, what I say, 18 or 19, whatever that says. I think it says 0319. Sorry, I said 18 earlier. So I did that one, and that's kind of what I'm thinking for that is I can use it for card fronts or two card fronts maybe and a tag, something like that. Don't know. And then let's see. Then I'll just go down the row here. This one, now this one from Recollections did have a name, Backyard Table, and I seem to be missing some out of it and I don't know what was in there. So I actually brought this in, but it doesn't really go with this collection. And then later I found it and it is in this one, which I happen to have another one of, which looks like this. And I did one for that too. Anyway, but it went okay with it. I just needed something else. Now on these, this one I cut off, but most of the ones that are straight, I put glue just along the edge of the back and rolled them over because you see these aren't sticking right at the edge real good. Isn't that pretty though? The only thing I'm not crazy about all the ones with words, always be lovely. This one says, welcome to my garden. But I just thought it was pretty. And you know me, I love butterflies, but it also has bees, butterflies and bees. And if you're seeing some sparkly, that is because this one, eesh, I wanted to show you this one. This is all purples. I had never used this as far as I know. I don't remember using it. It was on clearance for $5.99. Recollections. I mean, we're talking, it doesn't have a year, but I'm pretty sure these were all like 2017 and 18, possibly 19. Does it have a year here? 2015 is the date on this, but I didn't buy it. That it might have been 2017. This is the first piece of the glitter tape that I pulled off, and it was pink, and I laid it down on my masterboard. And then all the rest of it is purple with a little pink edge. So the pink is from the purple fading. And I saved that to show it to you. So open your washi tape reels. I thought it was going to be sort of ombre, like pink into purple all the way through. No, it wasn't. It's all purple and it was just fading. And I thought maybe I'd save those to use, except that I don't love the sparkle ones. They're pretty, but I'm going to have to take this outside when it's not raining and spray it because the glitter is coming off on everywhere. This one I do have a plan for. I have some Easter egg dies, and I think I'm going to try and cut this into Easter eggs. We'll see. I don't know how it'll cut through this. So this is on like a pale pink of that Craftsmith paper. I see I have a little blip over here. Anyway, you get the idea. So that's that one. This one is another Recollections. No name on this one from 2016. I probably got it in 17 or 18. And this is what it looks like. Now, I used, I think I used all of them on this one. I did. So I used all of them. There's a one up here. It says 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's the one of them is up higher. I can't figure out which one it is. Let me see. Oh, no, I did not use this one. I was too afraid to use the sparkle. So I used 7 of the 8 on that one. Never be anyone but yourself. You can be anything you want to be. I mean, you could cut these into planner. Um, if you have a happy planner, you could use that or just cut them down and use them in a planner too. So that's another option, or a journal. And then these, it's not a tube, but I had these from Dollar Tree years ago. I don't know if they still come out with this kind. These were the Greenbrier International. Doesn't have a date on it, but a while ago. And this, I think, is Scotch. And the only reason I say that is because I have another similar one in a different, like blues and purples. It's still in a wrapper, and it's Scotch. So I think this one might be Scotch, but it doesn't say that in here, so I'm not sure. Um, that was not open either, so I opened it, and I used it with these two pinks, which I did have to use glue stick for, by the way. And you see, this is where I started doing this with glue stick. But isn't that pretty? I could use that for Easter egg too, but I don't know. I kind of like it. Does that go all right with those pinks? I thought it did. it breaks it up, right? Anyway. All right. Let me do, all right, the next one is, excuse me one sec. Okay, sorry. I thought I had to sneeze. I kind of held it back. This was off Amazon, and I used all of these on this side, none of these on this side. I ran out of room, and I had a 6 by 12 scrap of the pink, and this is what I did. And I only used each one once that I used, so I didn't repeat anything. Honestly, I decided, oops, I decided I'm not in love. I love this one, but I don't love using these really wide washies. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Like, I think that would be like from here to here would be a pretty card front, just cutting it right across there. So maybe that's what I'll do. I might cut it down into card fronts. And I think I went a little crooked starting here because at the bottom, this one didn't fit all the way. This skinny one down here didn't fit all the way on, but that's okay. So again, I might do like here to maybe just here or something. I don't know. I have to see. I'll probably cut this in thirds and use it for card fronts somehow. So that's that one. Then I had this blue. The lid apparently fell off. I might have used this flower before because it has less than the others, and maybe one of the other ones. I don't know. And this is what I did with that one. This is a pink, sort of blush pink one on the diagonal. I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna have to really push these down a little bit with my bone folder. Some of them, like that one, was crinkling. Make sure they're sticking before I run them through any die cutting. And I don't think I showed you this one. Well, I did because I had this. This is where I had found this. I have these clear drawers. I'm getting ready to reorganize my washi, and I think these tubes will be gone soon. I bought an organizer off officesupply.com. It came broken. However, they refunded my money, and I still have all the inner pieces, which aren't broken, the little trays. So I'm going to see if I can fit them in my iris bins that I have washi in now and see if I can organize them better. Plus the 2 eyeglass drawer holder things and reorganize those. So I pulled this out to use with, which one? This one, I think. And then I realized, oh, it was in this. So there it is, which was, does it have a name? This one doesn't have a name, but it's from 2016 also. I love this one so much I went back and bought another one back then, and that's all I have left. I think I might have used some of this in a project years ago and maybe gifted some of it. And this is what I did with that. Always be kind, stay humble, and then just alternating, sort of pastels. And then, did I show you this one? I showed you this one already, right? So I think that's all. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a big one there. And then the big green one with this, this was called Bow Bunny Garden, um, Garden Party. I don't have that collection, I don't think, but I thought it was cool. And then lastly, these green ones with, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 washi masterboards. I think these will be card fronts or something. I don't know yet. I really like this one for some reason. And I thought on one of them that has gold in it, I can't, oh, this one, I think. I was looking for thin gold washi, but I think I used it all up. I couldn't find it real quick, so I didn't use it. But I was gonna try and use some gold maybe this one too. In between to kind of break it up a little bit, but I think this one's okay without it. I think this one I would have liked some gold, like maybe in here or something, but it's okay. And this color here, I thought it was this one, but this looks more pink, so I'm not 100% sure this peachy looking one came in the same collection. I have it in there, but it doesn't look like it's the right color, but it looks all right, I think. Okay, so that's it for my Crack the Vault. Pull out your washi tape and use it. Oh, I have another one sitting here I didn't get to. Summery. I'll wait till summer to do this one. This is all flamingos and tropical. And I believe I used this on one project a while ago, or one similar to this. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's been a while if I did. Definitely longer than 6 months. So yeah, I didn't get any projects made other than all these masterboards, but stay tuned because this will turn into Easter eggs if it doesn't fall apart. And some of these will turn into cards or ATCs or something. Eventually, maybe in March sometime, okay? Take care. Please go see Jamie over at Poetspice and then go down the list and check everyone else out. There is a whole bunch of talented, creative people in this collaboration, and I'd appreciate it if you show them some crafty love too. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, weekend. Be safe if you're going to be affected by this storm coming up Sunday into Monday, just like we're getting again, and the Arctic cold blast again, too. So stay safe and wherever you are, no matter what your weather. And hugs, love, and peace. Bye for now.